All right, so I know with an interior triangle, with a triangle, the sum of my interior A angles go to 180. The area of a triangle is my base times my height divided by 2. So I'm going to be finding the area given using some trig here. So here's the thing. I have this triangle. It tells me angle P is 55.83 degrees. So for angle P, if that is that and that is my height, let h be the height, find the length of the corresponding base. My corresponding base is 14 centimeters. All right, so if that's 14 centimeters, I got to find my height. But because my height is intersecting that and it's making a 90-degree angle, it's like I have a triangle right here. I know that's 55.83. I need to find the height, but I know that side's 11. So if I think about it, I have an opposite and the hypotenuse. So I can use the sine of 55.83 is equal to my height over 11. If I times both sides by 11, I'm going to solve for my height. 11 sine 55.83. So I'm just going to plug that in and do it right here. So 11 sine of 55.83. So I'm going to get a height of 9.10. So here's the thing. To find the area of it, I have a base, which is 14. I'm going to times it by the height, which is 9.10. I'm going to divide all of that by 2. So then I get an area of 63.7 centimeters squared. Here's the next one. Okay, so I need to find a height. So I'm given this angle. Angle Y is 50.45 degrees. I have to draw in a height. So I'm going to come over here and draw in a height. So now I've split my triangle up into two right triangles. So for that height, my base is 20. So if I need to pull that triangle out, it's like I have this triangle right here. That side is 17. You know that angle is 50.45, but I want to find this. So I have opposite and the hypotenuse. So I've got to use the sine. So the sine of 50.45 is equal to my height over 17 times both sides by 17. And x then is going to be equal to 13.125. Just plugging and chugging in a calculator. So now to find that area, my base is 20. My height is 13.125. I've got to divide all of that by 2. It's just a matter of plugging and chugging. So I'm going to times that by 20, divide that by 2. I get 131.25 meters squared.